Luna, a girl with hair the color of sunshine, lived next to a magical place called the Butterfly Garden. Every flower bloomed with vibrant colors, and butterflies fluttered with shimmering wings. But what Luna loved the most were the tiny red ladybugs who brought good luck. One morning, Luna found the garden quiet. No butterflies danced, and the ladybugs were nowhere to be seen. Fear crept into her heart. Where could they have gone? Following a trail of tiny footprints, Luna discovered a grumpy spider spinning a web at the edge of the garden. "Have you seen the ladybugs, Mr. Grumpy Pants?" she asked politely. Mr. Grumpy Pants was not known for his good manners. The spider chuckled. "They are trapped in my web, silly girl. They wanted to visit, and now they can't leave." Luna knew she had to help. She ran outside and found the biggest, juiciest spider snack she could. A plump, red apple. Sneaking back, she offered it to Mr. Grumpy Pants. "Here, Mr. Grumpy Pants, a yummy snack. How about you let the ladybugs go free?" The spider's eyes gleamed. He couldn't resist a delicious apple. With a snip of his web, he released the trapped ladybugs. They buzzed happily, thanking Luna with tiny ladybug kisses. Luna learned a valuable lesson. Sometimes kindness and a clever trick are all you need to solve a problem. And so the butterfly garden bloomed again, filled with the joyful fluttering of butterflies and the lucky red ladybugs.
If you like this story, please subscribe the channel, like and share it with others. See you in the next video.